How to build a website for SEO beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build a website for SEO optimization. So what is SEO? How do you optimize your website for that? And now first off, SEO means search engine optimization, and SEO categorizes a lot of things under it. And there are a lot of different things, tips and tricks that you need to apply to make sure that your website is SEO optimized. So the first thing that you need to do whenever you are looking to do SEO optimization for your website is that you're going to choose your domain name. So you have to buy a domain name before you get started. And whenever you are going to go on ahead and search for a domain name, there are certain essential things that you need to keep in mind. First off, you're going to take a look at the different domain name providers. You're going to look for the best deal because domain names can run you up quite a bill. So you're going to be looking for the best deal that you can on your domain names. There are multiple different providers out there like Namecheap and GoDaddy for you to get started with. Now, there are two types of domain names: direct business related keyword domain names or indirect domain names. So let's say, for example, I have a website over here and this is a store for purses. There are two things that I can do. First off would be a keyword driven domain name. That would be something along the lines of trendypurses.com or pursesandco.com or handbagsandstyle.com. So those would be keyword driven domain names. These are driven by the fact that they have essential keywords in the domain name. Now the other option is brand name domain name. So this would be something like, even if this is a shop for mostly for handbags and leather goods, I could name my website something like plasticdrop.co. So that's like a totally random name, but glass red shark or anything like that. That would be a brand driven domain name. That would mean that people that are searching for my website are going to search for the domain of the brand, not for a domain that would be attracted from keywords. So first off, you're going to make the choice of whether or not you want a brand name or a keyword name domain name. Then you can go on to a domain service provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. So I would recommend Namecheap because they do give you quite the discount on a lot of domain names and they have quite the wide selection available. But if you're not able to find a suitable domain name on Namecheap, then you definitely should check out other platforms as well. Now, continuing with our example, let's say I want to do a keyword driven domain name. I would search for purse over here. And then once I search for purse, they're going to show me all of the suggested domains, the similar domains. And as you can see over here, purse.com is a taken domain name. Purse.net is a domain name that is available, but you can see it is quite expensive. Now you can scroll down over here to see more results and you can click on extensions. And over here you can see multiple different options. And this would actually just hold your main keyword. And so you can search for something like handbags and then so on and so forth. You can search for multiple different items. So you can even select a specific filter like beauty over here. So it's going to give you more beauty related domain names, and then you can go on ahead and pick out the best domain name out of the options that are available. Now, this is the first step to getting started with your SEO optimized website, and your domain name is going to be super essential. Now, once you have your domain name set to go, what you're going to be doing is going on ahead with your hosting provider. So you need to look for a hosting provider, a place to host your website, and you can use many different hosting providers. There are so many different platforms available that provide hosting, and there is one thing that you need to keep in mind when you're picking out your hosting provider. So we have options like Bluehost, you have things like HostGator, and you need to make sure that they do provide you with a SSL certificate. The reason for that is Google has confirmed that whether or not a website has a SSL certificate affects the ranking of the website on their browser. So your website won't be ranked as higher as a SSL certified website would be. So SSL security is super important. Now you can see the I over here. Your hosting package would include a free SSL certificate, and you can see over here you can click on learn more, and a lot of times they do try to upsell this, and it usually is something along the lines of on some platforms like GoDaddy will give you the free SSL certificate for 1 year and then you have to buy it after 1 year. Now HostGator is providing it for free. Then you also have things like Bluehost, and just make sure whenever you're getting started that you have a SSL certificate for your website to make sure that your website has the best search engine optimization. Now, Going on ahead, you also have to take into consideration your website builder. So website builders are super important. You can use WordPress, you can use Wix, Squarespace. There are so many different website builders available. I would recommend that you go on ahead with Wix or WordPress if you're an absolute beginner and you don't want to invest more money. Then you can go with Wix. And if you have some experience or you have some kind of idea on web building, go with WordPress because it would allow you more customization. Now, once you have picked out all of these things according to your business or the niche that you are entering, you need to make sure that you have a darn good theme. Your theme is going to affect the entirety of your SEO. Now, whenever you click on create new site and you're getting started, you need to make sure that you pick out the best base template, or if you're going to start with a layout, make sure you have enough content for your website to be getting started with a layout. If you're going to get started from scratch, make sure you understand the website layout. Now, I'm going to be discussing about the website layout. So this is just a simple example of what website layouts mean. If you're not starting off with a template, just take a break, pause the video, take a picture or screenshot, and make sure you follow this format for whatever kind of website you are building. First, you're going to have your homepage. Your homepage will lead to all of these pages, the pages of your blog, product, services, about us. If you require additional pages, add additional pages. Then you also have your contact page, which would also be led directly from your homepage. And then this would also be present within the About Us section. So this is the way that you are going to categorize your website. So you can see on the website I have over here, this is my homepage. So if you click on the main icon or logo of my website, you're going to be headed to this homepage. If you scroll down over here, you have your join us section, you have your bottom footer, you have your social links as well. And then if I click on home, it would also lead me to this page. Then you have a shop all page, would lead you to all of the products. And then your shop page, instead of adding shop all, you can add categories, and after your categories you can add the shop all page. Then you have your our story page, which could be a page dedicated to your brand history or to your company. Then you have our craft, so you can add as many pages as you want. And then you have your contact page, and the contact page over here will have all of the information about your business. So over here we're going to be using the Wix website editor, and I'm just going to browse you guys through the different Wix templates that are available for you to get started with. So going on ahead, you can first answer a couple of questions to get started with your business. So you can go on ahead to enter your website name and all that good stuff, but we're going to skip and just take a look at the templates. Now you can select the features that you definitely do need in your website, and Wix would recommend templates accordingly, and this will save you a lot of time whenever you're looking to go on ahead and find the perfect template that has all the features you need. So you can see in the template section, you can click on all templates, or you can search for a specific type of template. So for example, I want to build a portfolio, or let's say I want to build a blog. So just go on ahead, click on search all templates and search for blog. And now this will give you access to all the blogging templates. They will have all of the SEO optimization tools, and you can optimize them furthermore with more keywords, but they will give you the best basic layouts for the type of website that you are looking to open. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with your own website. And if you're using Wix or any other platform, you can go into your website settings, and then you have your SEO and marketing settings available as well. So you can do further ad management, marketing management from there as well to get more clicks and views on your website. So you can see over here, you have SEO tools, you have email marketing, ads as well, and you can also take a look at the default SEO settings with SEO patrons, site verification, redirecting managers, to have the best for your customers to have the best experience on your website. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.